This week we had two projects, one in Lancaster and the other one in Long Beach. And let me tell you, every roof thinks it's special. The first house in Lancaster looked simple, until we realized we had two different arrays to build. So before anyone grabs a drill, we have to measure everything according to the plans, because the roof always remembers your mistakes. Then comes my favorite part, making holes in someone's roof. Relax, we're supposed to do that. Every penetration gets flashing and sealant so water stays outside where it belongs. Then we install the rails, make sure everything is perfectly straight, and start dropping panels one by one. Honestly, nothing is more satisfying than looking back and seeing every panel lined up perfectly. After that, we headed to Long Beach for project number 2. Different house, same mission. Measure, drill, flashings, rails, panels, repeat. Solar installation is kind of like building Legos. Except if you mess up, the inspector shows up instead of your mom. Of course, once all the panels are installed, it's time for the wiring. We run the home runs, keep the cables nice and clean, hook everything up to the Powerwall, and get the system ready to produce power. By the end of the week, we had 2 cities, 2 completed systems, 1 tired crew, and probably enough screws in our pockets to build another project. See you guys on the next roof.